Hi, this is Mansi Gulati and today we'll do yoga for double chin. So I am going to tell you 3 beautiful exercises that you can control your double chin in just 7 days. So let's do it. First, meditate your body, close your eyes. Let's start with simple Kriya. Inhale deeply. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Let's start. First exercise, pout pose. Make a pout and hold. Release. This is a beautiful exercise. It stretches your jaw muscle and very good to control double chin. Every exercise you have to perform for 3 times for better result. So let's do this again. Make a spout and hold. Do it for 10 seconds and you can see lot of changes. Let's do it again. Relax. Let's do our second exercise, which is also very good. You have to count 10. Every exercise we have to do for 3 times. So let's do it. Look up. Make a pout. This is very good exercise to control double chin. Drink lot of water. Water is very important. 70% of body is made from water itself. So every half an hour, take half glass of water and clear all the bad toxins from your body. Let's do this again. Look up, make a pout, stretch your jaw properly. We'll do this again. Now keep your hand here. Look up. A beautiful stretch for your jaw, and this is really good. It clears all the bad toxins from our face, make our skin more glower, and face yoga is a natural way. So now we'll tell you third exercise, which is also really good to control double chin. Very easy. You have to hold here. Why we are holding? Because you need to feel the stretch also. Now look up. Look down. Movement. It is really good for stretching your jaw, for the blood circulation, and for reducing your double chin. After 5, we have to avoid oily food, junk food. So this is all we can do. The best exercises to control double chin. We will come back again with more episodes. Thank you.
IVF. Many people think IVF is the last resort, but of late, I feel IVF we should adopt, we should start this treatment a little early when compared to the old